Hello, my name is Mir. I'm 19 years old. I'm a second year student at Maksud Narbayev University. I study at the Faculty of Hospitality. I have extensive experience in the service industry. I worked as a guide at the Museum of Future Energy for a year. And also worked as a waiter and barista. I have a lot of hobbies, like writing music and playing sports. I have big family. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am flying to America in order to gain new work experience and just visit and new country. I am sociable, responsible, and have many other qualities. That's all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.